Welcome back to the freaking channel. So it's like almost winter here in the old Wisconsin land. It's actually getting cold out. It's like I can see my breath cold. So we are yeah, I gotta go look at some a project today. Oh, we are getting close to our destination. So I'm going to check out a car. So this this car that I'm going to check out is something I was not at all planning to look at right now because we are coming into winter. But if the price is right, this would be one of those vehicles that I would have to try to buy, try to not completely destroy, and then I would probably sell it in about a year. Drive it. Actually, I'd probably drive it for about 2 months of next season, and then I would get rid of it and get something else. But I need something that the doors go up on. So that's why I'm looking at this. It's a good buddy. It's a good car. It's a 2012, and once you see the car, you'll know that if you know anything about them, the 2012's had some issues, some very known issues. So we're gonna check it out, see what it's got to say. All right, so we are in a different Lambo than my Lambo. These doors go the right way, and this thing is completely ruthless compared to my car. Different animal, and you can see it right in the engine bay. We are driving. I'm starting to think I do actually really need this car. You hear that? It's doing all that on its own. I don't even have to do nothing. So I think this will be a rally machine. It's crazy how smooth it is on this stuff at like, I mean the speed limit basically, but like 90 you look down.
The car just wants to go fast.
Yeah. It's definitely all sorts of the rawness they speak of. Give me the lowdown. I just floor it?
Yeah, you're gonna need a shift though.
Alright. So just right now we're in first.
Yep.
And just
It's violent, bro.
dude, yeah, that is the best word for it. It just seems like things should be breaking.
I know, dude.
When
It's
it drives
scary.
like that.
It just drops that clutch so hard.
Yeah, and it like doesn't hesitate, doesn't slip. It just
It grabs.
Dude, this would be trouble.
Yeah, man.
How many times you got pulled over in this one?
Dude, honestly, I never got a ticket in this car. It's always been the M4, just something stupid.
So the Strata mode, that's supposed to be like the,
It's called, I think it's Italian for street.
so just the normal,
Yeah.
but that's hard on them.
It's a lot smoother ride, but I think it just wears out the clutch a lot
Yeah.
faster.
Yeah, that's it. Even on like with my car, they say keep the revs up because the cars like it.
Yeah, exactly.
This is sweet. All right, so this one's gonna make way more sense for rallying because it has way more room up front. The doors go the right way. There's that. Alright, so while we're over test driving cars, might as well take a drive in this beast. pretty serious, didn't he? It wasn't like, yeah. Oh, great, traction control's off. We need that.
It's on. It's like, I can take it out if you want, but
no, I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. I'm not trying to crash your car.
that's like their sport. So to let it it'll catch itself.
So it won't let you slide off the road?
No.
Okay. That's a plus.
Like downshift to third and don't touch the gas.
We'll go up to fifth first.
Okay. Yeah, then go to fourth or whatever. That's second.
That's tight there. That's weird.
It's weird, dude. It takes a second to get used to.
So what happens if you touch the gas at that same time? Like if you're
It's just kind of.
it just still does it. I mean,
It'll still do it. It's not as smooth.
I have to look up numbers to see kind of what they're kind of trading for,
Right.
retailing for.
So, I have made some calls. I've got a pre-purchase inspection price set up. So if we want to take the next step, I really like am not rich, and I really can't afford this car right now. But my theory behind it is if I can get it for the right price with the, it's obviously got blemishes. It's a 2012. It's been driven like it's supposed to be driven. The resale on it is going to be very difficult because you do have to find someone that's very particular to, that's okay with that, with knowing that it's not going to be it's not an easy car to resell. Especially because so many people that are looking at these cars, they want perfect, they want no blemishes, they want low miles. It's all over the opposite. But I'm into that because I put miles on, I drive my cars. The car is super raw, it is super fast, it is super sweet, the doors go super up. So we're gonna see what happens. I will be, not gonna come on here and flex like, yeah, just pay cash for the whip. I will have to get a loan, and the plan behind that loan will be that I have the option at any time that with putting a little bit of time and money into it, some paint correction, some repainting, some cleaning it up, that I can get this car in the same value range that I'm paying, so that at any given time I could resell it and get my loan paid off. Obviously I'd put a little chunk of money down because it does not make sense to go to buy it all like that. So that is it. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. We're still working on that little red car. I'm still trying to get that figured out. He has not accepted my offer on it yet. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Make a fake account. Subscribe with that account.